Now let's talk about the things or the tools we're going to use to paint Chinese painting. In Chinese, we call those tools as 文房四宝. Literally means the four treasures in your study. These are the brush. We call it 笔. And this is ink. And this is, of course, papers. You can see that. And this piece of stone, we call this ink stone or ink slab. The thing is that this is called 笔 in Chinese, but of course I see that in English it's called brush. In Western painting, you use a kind of a flat brush, but in Chinese painting or Chinese calligraphy, we use a round one. And in Chinese, we call it 笔, which sounds very much like, or exactly the same as what you call it pen in English. So this is the traditional Chinese pen. And also, holding this kind of pen is just like that. And more, ink. I understand ink in English is something liquid, but in Chinese painting and Chinese calligraphy, ink is a piece of something like a rock. It's a stick. It's an ink stick. And the ink has to be used together with this piece of stone, this ink stone or ink slab. And we pour some water into it. And we rub the ink stick, and then we can get the liquid ink we're going to use in painting and writing. And then you can use the brush and dip it into the ink, and you got everything ready. And then we need to have paper. This kind of paper, we call it 宣纸 in Chinese. It's very, very strong, but soft. And they can absorb liquid or water or ink very quickly. It's very easy for the artist to use ink to have some special effect they want on this kind of paper. Well, these are the things we are going to use when we do Chinese traditional painting.
文房四宝，文房四宝，笔，笔。墨，墨。